Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Lear and Share. It's about 100% entertainment and 100% knowledge. Do you want to make your loved one's birthday so special? Then the magic is over here. Let's make delicious Gulab Jamoon. For this you need a packet of Gulab Jamoon and then you have to sprinkle few drops of milk on it and you have to make a dough. So I'm going to give you a small tip over here, so please note it down. So once you prepare the dough, start prepare to fry it and then you put in the sugar syrup. So aside you have to boil the sugar syrup. So sugar syrup, it depends upon the sweetness which you prefer. Okay, here we go. Add milk little by little and make it a soft dough. Make a dough like this, and here I want to give you a small tip. What you have to do is once you do a dough, you have to start making balls. So basically most of them feel that all the gulab jamuns are broken, but this is the best tip way you can follow it. You have to do it then and there. And as I said before, you have to prepare sugar syrup aside. Keep the pieces in the center of your palm and make balls, and the balls are up to your convenience. I love small, it is mini gulab jamun, so I have made small rounds. Delicious gulab jamun is ready. Come on, let's taste it. Impress your loved one with this delicious gulab jamun.